Hi everyone, it's Ivor from the iTeabar. I hope you are well, because I am. Today's going to be a national holiday. Yeah, they're going to make it a national holiday. Should I tell you why? Because it's a very special day for the iTeabar, a very special day for me. The iTeabar has got its very first drone. It's a Mavic Mini. Okay, so what we're going to do with this today? Well, I'm going to take it for its maiden flight. Yep, it's even got its landing pad. I ain't playing around, man, seriously. I'm gonna put the landing pad down. I've got the drone. Let's take off. See you in a bit.